Well, good morning folks, and welcome to day 13, which is a Thursday. It's also June the 21st, so it's the longest day. Time is now 20 past 9. We've been up a while. It's a beautiful morning actually, guys, but anyway, we've been up a while. We haven't had breakfast yet. I'm going to do a haddock fry up later on today, and then we can get that packed away. Now, talking of packing up, that's our plans for this morning actually, guys. We're going to start packing away a few bits and pieces in the caravan, things we're not going to use, because we've got to get ready for the big off on Saturday. So that's the sort of plan for this morning. Pack a few non-essential bits away, maybe take the awning down this morning. If not, we'll leave that to this afternoon. Now, talking of this afternoon, we're going to take ourselves off to Corfe Castle. We fancy a cream tea. They do a really good cream tea in Corfe Castle. But that's the plans for this morning. So we're just going to potter around. I'm not going to film the haddock breakfast. I think we've already done that. So that's the plans for this morning, guys. I'm going to just do the obligatory look around the outside so you can see what lovely morning we're into. So there you go, guys. As you can see, I'm just stood in the awning doorway. You see it's absolutely beautiful morning again. Yesterday it was actually quite cloudy when it started and then brightened up during the day. But this is what we are this morning. As you can see, blue skies. So it's an absolutely gorgeous morning. So there you go, guys. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous start to the day. Anyway, less of this whiffle. Gonna have to start packing up the caravan now. So are you ready, dearest? Right, guys, breakfast is on. So I'm going to give you a walk around the pitch so you can see where we're situated on the site and what the pitch looks like. So guys, here's our pitch. Plenty big enough for a caravan and car and an awning, and can close out this drying. So just look round, the haddock's on that, plenty of room for the haddock. As you can see, Karen inside preparing the rest of the breakfast. There we go. On this side is a nice grass strip, so you have your waste tank and your water on this side. And just have a look on this side again. So there you go, plenty of room on this side for your car and an awning. Oh, you can smell the sausages cooking, so I'm going to have to go and turn in a minute, guys. So there you go, that's our pitch. So guys, here's a sneak preview of the breakfast. Now, how many we got coming? Just us two again. So there's a sneak preview on the aging haddock. Just got eggs to go on. One thing I found with this haddock, I don't know if you can see it, that valve there is either on or off. There's no control. And the other thing this haddock suffers from is wind. It's easily blown out, and once it goes out, with that hot plate and all that being hot, it'll be a pain to light. But anyway, there's a sneak preview of the breakfast. Just eggs to go. Right, guys, we're off to Corfe Castle for cream tea. You manage that on your own? I'll go and get the bus fired up. So there we are, guys. We're in Corfe Castle National Trust car park. Karen's just gone to put some money in the machine. So it's bloody hot here, I tell you. That's why I got my silly hat on. But we're hoping now to head towards a cream tea and have a couple of hours in Corfe. We're not going to go up to the castle because we let our National Trust membership lapse this year. So we're not going to go up to the castle, but we're going to certainly go and have a cup of tea and a cake or something. Here comes ticket lady. 3 hours. Oh, we got 3 hours here, folks. Alright, let's lean in and put this in. So there you go, folks. Corfe Castle. So guys, down here, children's play area.
Dangerous jump.
So dangerous jump. I don't think there's a slide down here, but I think you've got to be quite dangerous to go down these steps. Because they are quite dangerous. So I'm going to be dangerous John. Oh. I don't know, folks. So excuse the shaky video and the direction I'm pointing the camera in, because I'm so busy actually watching where I was going. This is rather picturesque down here, guys. How about that then? Is that the River Corfe? I think it's the River Corfe. It's not the River Piddle. And there we go, guys. Oh, there's a bit of an assault course. There's a bit of assault course there, folks. Look at this, like, this is gorgeous. I don't actually know whether the camera's picking it up that well, because the quite dark down here and dappley, is that a word? Yeah, with the sunshine. Oh yeah, Dangerous Karen's on the go. Sorry folks, you missed Dangerous Karen. Hang on, let's back up Dale. Right then, there's Dangerous Karen. Oops, she nearly fell over then. Oh, go on Dangerous. Oh, this could end in tears, this. That's too dangerous.
It's like, done it!
Is that too dangerous?
Well, it might be.
I don't know, I'm going to just sort of... Yeah, that's too dangerous even for me, folks. Look at that, look. Let me show you, folks. See, they're chained together. Yeah, it's too dangerous for me, I think. I don't mind doing the dangerous slide. Oh, it's too dangerous. Ah, yeah, see, but it's meant for kids. We're going to slip down into the water. So there we go, guys. Beautiful. Can't say anything else. Just beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to drink it though. Look at that, guys. We're up in that corner. It's not very well. There's a cottage. Or what was left of the cottage, because there used to be an old mill here. Look at that, guys. Can't say anything about it, can we? Beautiful. It's a bit dark and you might not get it. Probably not showing it up on the film or on the camera as nice as it actually is.
To be here to really experience.
Yes, you've got to be here to appreciate it. So all you guys watching this YouTube video, come to Dorset, especially Swanage and Corfe Castle. Where's the gate lamps? We recommend it, all you caravanners, campers, motorhome guys. So there you go, guys. That's Corfe Castle up there. Or part of it anyway. Now we've been coming here for 20 years, folks. At least 20, probably 25.
Oh, no, we've been together 30 years.
We've been together 30 years.
No, really? 31.
31, I got it right.
No, I mean, I'm just trying to think. I think I made the first year we were together, but I think the second year we did.
Right. So we could have been coming to...
30 years.
We could have been coming here, folks, for 30 years. Every year, at least once a year, in tents, caravans, B&Bs and all that. But in all those 30 years we've been coming here, they've never finished it. Never knew that was coming, didn't we? That's scaffolding, weren't we? We thought we'd finish it, but there you go, guys. That's Corfe Castle above us. I should imagine that would have been rather stunning in its time. But anyway, I'm going to stop recording. I want to save some of the battery. Comes the menu. What we got on the menu then? So what we looking at then?
Cheese and scone with butter, fruit scone with butter, extra jam, celebrity.
Don't they do the what we call it? The
Well,
savoury.
it's got the scone of the month cream tea.
What that is then? We'll have to go and have a look.
Please see board. I'll go and find it.
So you're going to go and see the board. Scone of the month. I'm going to look at the menu then. Scone of the month. What's the scone of the month? I haven't got my glasses. Let's see what the scone of the month is. So guys, I'm having scone of the month, which is tandoori spiced, what is it?
Tandoori spice.
A tandoori spice scone,
And you get
courgette and chilli chutney, cream cheese, and a pot of tea. I didn't want tea, I wanted coffee. So there you go, I'll let you know how we got on with that. That's a bit of a combination.
I'm just going for the traditional.
You're just going for the traditional cream tea, fair play to you. But what could be better than the view we got like this? That looks like mine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm having a cream tea of the month, looking at that view there, and it's arrived. Very quick.
Individually, it's if it's out £5.75 a month, then it's not bad, but it's £69 or 114.
A lot of money, isn't it, really? So guys, we are heading back towards the car park. Some steps coming up. Oop. As they fall over. Quite a long way down. Remember these steps before? Must be, anyways, but can't remember them. So, penultimate day, Thursday. Getting a bit sad now that we've got to go home soon. There we go guys, back at the car park. So we're gonna put them steps up there. And we should be on the railway line now, or very close to the railway line. Might be able to catch the train coming out of Northern Park Road, so just bear with me while I go up the stairs. So there you go guys, we caught the train leaving Northern for Corfe. I'm just making my way down the steps. Ooh. So that's it, that's our day at Corfe Castle. Absolutely gorgeous day. So there you go.
Just found out there's an easier route.
There's an easier route, that's always. Right, there we go guys, we're back. That concludes the day at Corfe Castle, and that's going to be all. So guys, here we are at the end of day 13. A quite busy day actually. Packed up some of the caravan this morning, had a fried breakfast. Then we went out to Corfe Castle, or the village of Corfe, and had a look around the village, and went to her little tea rooms in Corfe and had a cream tea. Well, Karen had a cream tea, or traditional cream tea, and I had a rather strange combination of a cream tea, which was was it a tandoori scone? Yeah, a tandoori spiced scone with cucumber and something, chili, cucumber, no, what was it?
I can't remember what it was now.
Strange, but it's on the video, but it was cucumber, courgette, chili chutney, wasn't it? Yeah, chili chutney with a cream tea, with a cream cheese, not cream tea, cream cheese. It's meant to look like a proper cream tea, but it was a savoury one. Yeah, it's a bit of a it was nice, but yeah, a bit of an odd combo. So we just sat there watching the birds and looking at over the actual ruins of Corfe Castle. And then we made our way back to the caravan. What time did we get back here? 4ish? About half 4.
About 4, 5
Yeah,
o'clock.
about half 4, 5 o'clock we got back to the caravan, and then we launched ourselves into taking the awning down. We wanted to get the awning down and try and get as much packed away today as possible, so we can have a sort of a full day tomorrow without worrying about sort of doing any unpacking and packing up, if you like. So we've got the awning down, the awning's gone, packed away. Everything we've basically that we can pack away, we've actually packed. So the inside of the caravan is a bit untidy, to say the least. We've got boxes and bits and pieces everywhere, but we've got everything packed away, or as much as we can, as I said. So tomorrow we haven't got to faff around too much. So what we're planning on doing tomorrow is, well, we don't know yet. We probably have a full day in Swanage if the weather's good. Go and have an ice cream, go and have a walk round, just chill out, try and enjoy our last day here. Just try and forget the fact we've got to go home. But we're going to have or enjoy our last day here tomorrow. Hopefully the weather's going to be good. That's the plan, but it might change. And yeah, and as Karen said, we got a nice meal booked at the Silent Woman. Remember, folks, is there such a thing as a silent woman? Well, there was the last time we was there. So that's plans for tomorrow. But again, apart from eating at the Silent Woman, the rest of the day we don't know. But as I said, we have everything packed away, so it's made life a lot easier. So that's it for today, folks. I'm going to sit down now, or we're going to sit down now and watch a film. Just chill out and enjoy the rest of the day. It's a absolutely beautiful evening again. So as we seem to be getting a lot of that, it's sort of just absolutely fantastic evenings.
Beautiful. It's been a wonderful holiday.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic holiday. We'll probably might tomorrow night sit down and do a bit of a recap. We could do that, couldn't we? Might do, yeah. Anyway, guys, we shall catch you tomorrow morning. So for now, say bye-bye, Karen.
Sure, you're sorry. Caught me mid-yawn.
Quarter mid-yawn.
It's all this walking we've done so much.
So we shall catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye for now.